Good evening, I am Shahili Bit. I am 20 years old and I am pursuing aviation and I am a student of EFA. So my today's topic is if animals could speak, what would they say? So imagine if you were waking away from your home and you were not like in your city and you were in a strange city all alone and in a complete silence, no crowds, no cars were there, and you were all alone and you don't know what you will eat, what will be the meal for tomorrow, and what will be the next like house or next wall for you. And also imagine that whether you will get a approachable weight from someone or someone throw a rock on you. So this is the daily reality of millions of stray dogs and cats nowadays worldwide. So in these days people are not alert that much and not seeing them. And if animals could speak, they would say their first word would be not a complaint. Their first word would be that they will ask you that, am I invisible to you, that you cannot see me? We were sharing the same street, same city, and you are not watching me, and I am struggling here. Your and my world is completely different. There is two different worlds completely. Their daily struggle, nobody sees that. And there, if they have a mouth and they could speak, they do not look for the luxury. They will look for the bare minimum necessities like food and a wall above their head, to save themselves from strangers. Yes, you can say that they bark on you, like the stray dogs bark at you, but that is not their they won't harm you. This is their voice, that if anybody can help them or can give them some shelter or food. And I always suggest to everybody that do not buy dogs or cats from other breeds. Please adopt it. So it will be my message to everybody that please look and to completely care of the stray dogs and animals who could not speak, and your take care for them will be a great step toward our nation. Thank you.